Alright, so another important step in preparing or in our pre-writing activity is to write a book proposal. So why is this book proposal important? Because, okay, this will be for your publisher. Alright, so you want to have a well-planned book proposal so that your publisher will be confident, okay, to publish your book. And also, later we will see what are the other benefits of having a good book proposal. So for the book proposal, first of all, you need to have a book overview. Okay, so this is your job. Okay, so in in this stage you need to think about how you want to market your book and how you want your book to reach the target audience. So what you need to do is you can provide a brief summary of your book's plot, themes, and also characters. Okay, or if you're writing non-fiction, okay, so you have to provide a brief summary of the chapters that you have in your book. All right, and also you can, this is also important, you highlight, okay, what's the uniqueness of your book, what sets it apart from the other books in the same genre. Okay, so next you need to, of course, do your research and planning. Okay, all right, so you have to research your target audience, okay, you know who you want them to be, okay, and also what's the market trends, the current market trends. And also while doing your research, you don't forget to analyze other competing works in the same genre, okay, and from this analysis you'll be able to plan or devise a unique selling plan or selling point for your book, right? Because you want to set it apart from other books in the same genre. Okay, so again, when you are writing, remember you're not just writing for yourself, you're writing for a target audience. So who is your ideal readership? So you need to identify the demographics, the interests, and also preferences. What's the in thing right now, okay, for this particular target group, and what are the topics that they are currently discussing. Okay, not just currently, but also maybe you can make a projection of what topics that will remain relevant. For example, those like take a look at those classical books as your inspiration. So what makes this classics evergreen? Okay, and also is as the author you have to explain, all right, or highlight to your audience how your book meets their needs and desire. Okay, and then okay, so from the market analysis you have to okay, summarize findings from your market research. So what's the trends, opportunities, and also what are the gaps in the current market, or maybe, all right, like for example, there's a lack of certain books, for example cookbooks in the current market and all that. Okay, so don't forget to when you're writing the proposal, so don't forget to mention comparable books and also the successes. Okay, so you need to also include what is your marketing strategy in your book proposal. So what is your detailed plan, okay, to promote your book? Okay, so right now we have not just offline marketing, we also have online, which I think is more attractive, okay, to certain demographics. So you need to describe, okay, these marketing tactics and why are they suitable or relevant to your target audience. Okay, so again, you want to emphasize what are the strategies that you want to do to reach your target audience. All right. Okay, so here you need to also mention what are the sales channels that you will use. For example, what are the major retailers or bookstores, or even if you have your website, okay, what are the platforms that you will use in marketing your book? Okay, so right, so where will it be available for your readers? Okay, all right, for the promotional materials, okay, so what's your plan? What are the promotional materials that you plan to create, whether it's a trailer, book trailer, and I see that some nowadays, some authors also use Instagram, like they create a fictional, uh, especially when they are promoting fiction, so they will like create like a story, like a post, okay, using some images, and it's like they post some of the sneak peek, okay, from the book. Okay, so what are your promotional materials? So again, it has to suit your audience and also your genre. Okay, and okay, it's also important for you to have a projection of your book sales in your book proposal. All right, so you might want to project, okay, or put the sales projection of the first few months after the release and also the first year. So what's your projection? Okay, and in the proposal also you need to okay, explain or describe or elaborate how you engage with your readers or your target audience. So what's your plan? Okay, whether you plan to do some book signings or okay, social media interaction, or maybe you can have a personal event, or maybe you are going to join any book events. Okay, so how you as the author would engage with your readers, so this is important, and make sure you describe, okay, what's your plan and how do you what you want to do, and or why is that so. All right. So, in summary, so remember your proposal is for your publisher. So you need to have a well-crafted and a well-planned book proposal, a comprehensive book proposal that describes your plan. Okay, how to engage with your readers, your sales projection, what kind of promotion, how would you promote your book? Okay, so this will add appeal to your potential publisher, because you want them to be to have faith in you, to be confident in you that this book will um, be a, if not the bestseller, maybe it will help the publisher and also yourself to gain a lot of profits from it. And also when you have a well planned, carefully planned book proposal, it will definitely help in your marketing process of the book. All right, thank you everyone.